Okay, Cruise by Mandy. Apparently I go to bed way too early. It is happening down here in the Piazza on board the Sky Princess. Celine Dion just finished singing, of course. Apparently some good dancing going on. I got the download in the photo gallery I wanted. When you're on board on any cruise, you always find a future cruise center, a cruise next cruise, whatever you want to call it. They're always saying, do you want to book? Yes, you can book. These same brochures I can order for you if you need them, but we can always get those things for you. They always do a fully refundable deposit. Whatever's on, you get extra onboard credit. You can always book on board and transfer to your specific travel agent. Hopefully it's me. And then you also, on every cruise, like this is the Princess Captain Circle, and it's basically the loyalty club. Each cruise line has their own, so you can utilize those as well. But again, you can always transfer back to your cruise agent, your personal cruise agent, usually within 30 days of booking. So contact your cruise agent as soon as you're back. Say, hey, I did an onboard booking. What are they doing?
It's close. Or is it couple number 9?
Oh wow, they're getting gifts.
Alright. Unfortunately, couple number 3, you have been eliminated based on your fellow guests. Round of applause for couple number 3, guys. Okay, please.
Never know what's going on board.
You want to win. Is it couple number
happening
6?
Up here?
Or is it couple number 9?
Okay, and so down below I also have talked about the gelato and the wine area. Let's walk down there really quickly. Walked through the casino earlier. Oh, maybe I don't want to walk down. It's dispersing. So yeah, you got the, we'll look down there real quick. Guest services, shore excursions, the spa, everything's down here. You saw my videos previously about the coffee shop, International Cafe here. I did not get a coffee card this time, but I normally use it when I have a longer cruise on board Princess. And my daughter loved her vegan Island Spice lentil pie right there. Vegan. She had that a couple of times here. So finding something that is vegan friendly, she was always happy to find it. International Cafe is open 24 hours. Another place I hung out the month we were on board Royal Princess is this wine bar right here. Not necessarily to buy the wine. I had great seats by the windows and I'm cheap. A couple of restaurants down here for decks 5 and 6. Gelato, we had that today. I took some pictures. I think I need to upload those still. And again, it's like 11:30 at night. It is, people say Princess is for old people, and I don't get that. I'm 45. Yes, I'm in bed early, but these people are like older than me and they're still up and having fun. Sabatini's is the Italian restaurant. We have guest services here. Guest services takes care of everybody. They found my daughter's cell phone this week. Hey, tomorrow's gonna be awesome and gorgeous, right? Yes, naming ceremony tomorrow at 11:30 I'll be at. Lotus Spa here and the last shore excursion desk. And then if you are on a longer cruise and you have a destination expert, she or he is usually in this area as well to answer questions. So lots of things going on here. The spa is shut down for the night. Definitely can't break through that door. You saw my videos 2 days ago from there. And we are back here, deck 5 forward. I will take the elevators back up, go back to the room on deck 16. That's it. And you'll see me tomorrow morning at the naming ceremony in the Princess Theater. Cruise by Mandy, signing off.